Oh,
Okay.
the kitten's falling.
Okay.
What?
Can you see me?
What?
So
I can't see you because it's too high up.
I see you.
Yes, I can see you.
Okay, so this is our first selfie stick. Come here, Kara. And we just got it. And for me personally, I feel more empowered now that I have a selfie stick. Like, now that I have a selfie stick, I could do anything. Like, I could get on the roof and jump off and fly because I have a selfie stick. Kara, come tell us how you feel
You know, if you...
now that you have not just a selfie stick, but a Steven Universe shirt.
I like my shirt.
You know, if you jumped off this roof, you'd probably live.
I would probably re-break my foot.
But you'd just be fine.
What?
Look
Okay,
how short
okay.
it is.
If it wasn't for my foot, I would probably be fine.
Look at this guy though, it's really cute.
The sky is pretty. So Hannah, how do you feel now that we have a selfie stick?
I feel like I could probably take better
Selfies?
selfies. I got slapped by Kara.
Why do you keep leaving us?
Can't believe I get off the Xbox.
I love you too.
This is more important. All right. So I hope we showed up on this. Hannah's
Yeah,
trying to
you're
see. Okay, we're good?
Blub, 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 blub.
Like, we'll pretend we're in extreme sports. Woo! Okay. Maybe we should stop.
Maybe.
And closer. Don't jiggle it.
You know, you can
And
just cross
closer.
the
And
Close.
Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night and everything he sees is just blue. Like him, inside and outside. Blue his house with a blue little window and a blue Corvette. And everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around. Cause he ain't got nobody to listen. I'm blue, I've been